Hi, I'm here to talk about copyright and plagiarism again, and in particular, we're going to focus on academic honesty and how that relates to the legal, ethical, and moral issues that we addressed in the first lesson. So before we begin, remember you are going to be taking notes. The key parts that you need to write down are in yellow. You can write that on the attached Google Notes document provided or on your own paper, depending on what your instructor wants you to do. So first, let's discuss academic honesty. And this is a moral issue. This is an ethical issue. And I took this definition from the Cal State system, since hopefully you are going to be in the university system here in California, but it's really not much different no matter where you're at. And it's, in a nutshell, doing your own work to the best of your ability. You have to establish a trust between teachers and students. Teachers have to trust that students are doing their own work. Now, whether it's great work, that's a whole separate issue, but you need to be doing your own work and doing it to the best of your ability. You got to try. All right, so when you're tempted to cut corners, then you get into the issue of cheating. And every school and university and the military and jobs in the private sector all expect you to do your own work. And so cheating, no matter what arena it's in, is ethically wrong. And we're defining it here as getting credit for classwork, exams, or papers through the use of any deceptive or fraudulent means. So that's the whole scope of academic work. Here are some examples of cheating. I want you to write 5 down. I'd prefer if you chose 5 that you didn't really think it was cheating, and so you're like, oh, I didn't even know this was cheating. Copying another person's work, claiming a share of work for group projects where you did not contribute, using cheat sheets or crib sheets, using an electronic device, like you're taking pictures of the test with your phone, faking that you're sick so that you don't have to do the work, bribing or blackmailing an instructor for a better grade, fabricating or making up a reference page or bibliography for a paper, submitting the same paper to 2 or more different instructors, stealing exams, paying someone to do your work, lying about submitting a paper or sitting an exam. So, oh, I was there and I did it, but then, the instructor doesn't have the test. So did you really show up and the instructor lost it? But really, you just didn't do it. And finally, stealing or buying another student's work and putting your name on it. And of course, this is not all, we're not limited to this. There's all sorts of cheating that is a possibility. And so you want to make sure that you stay on on the right side, on the side of the angels, and be an ethical student. And so the next activity I want you to do is to watch this short little video and answer questions about why academic integrity matters.